Hi, this is Kristen Ayers for week 2 discussion question for history before 1500. We were asked to look at the legal codes and social order in ancient world history, especially in response to the status of women under Hammurabi Code. I looked into the code, which is actually kind of interesting. He, of course, was part of the Babylonian Empire, and some of his laws which I found funny, were if a sister of God open a tavern or enter a tavern to drink, then this woman shall be burned to death. It's crazy that these are real, not so much funny, because it's crazy. If a man finds his wife cheating, they both get tied up and thrown into a river. If a man wants to leave his wife, he basically just has to compensate her for her time raising the children, and they're fine with that. Some of the other rules, just kind of in general, if you break another man's bone, he shall break your bone. Eye for an eye kind of is where this came from. So yeah, there's definitely some interesting laws in here pertaining to him. So I hope you all have a good week and stay safe, and talk to you soon.